Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Kia Rio 5-door hatch EX, stock reference number 4026. This shape runs from the 8th month 2005 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a G4ED, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4ED, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand rear. We have the bonnet has a few small dents, black radiator grille, right-hand headlight has some light sun cracks. It's got a tidy front bumper cover. Left-hand headlight has some light sun cracks. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 14-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple of previous repairs. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror has some light scratches. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, grey centre console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.